Hello Mzansi, City Press confirmed this. Nhlanhla Lux is going to host Sizok'thola. Like what a wow, what a wow. So within a few hours of terminating the relationship with Xolani Khumalo, Mojalove had already identified, a possible replacement, Nhlanhla Lux Dlamini, and he was just one of those people that they considered as a replacement, according to City Press report. And we all know that, they are certified journalists. So whatever that they are reporting on, they've got proof and evidence. So Nhlanhla Lux is coming to Sizok'thola. I don't know which season, but yeah, he will be the presenter. So meanwhile, Xolani Khumalo will be working with, or is working presently, is working with the EFF, leaders or mayor in the city of Johannesburg. They're trying to just eradicate all this nonsense that is just happening in our country without the cameras. She has the police, backup, Metro Police, the EFF, he has like his what does Jub call his Amaroto. Yes, he has Amaroto as well. So one door closes, the other one opens, and we can't say, also Nhlanhla Lux has been fighting for this chance. Maybe it's a good platform for him also to showcase this, because he's been Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugozi. Bye bye.